Right this way. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, let me get the door. Where? Oh, over here. Oh, where is it? Oh, come on. Ooh, Daytona Jacks. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Ooh. Icon Metric Professional Flex Ratcheting Wrench Set Review. $1.99 at your local Harbor Freight. So I'd like to tell you how I arrived at this particular purchase decision. I've been looking for this particular derivation of box wrenches for a while. It really helps you get into some tight corners and cut some time off some tough jobs. So I usually start at Craftsman because I have a bunch of Craftsman, but they kind of let me down here because they don't have all the sizes. The kit is rather small at 7-piece. The price is just okay. It is more widely available now that Sears is gone, but the quality is perhaps a little downhill. So let's look at the Harbor Freight option. This is my first Icon purchase. They're a professional higher tier line. So you can see there's more sizes here. You get the chrome finish as opposed to the pebble. And at $1.99, it's a little more than twice, but these are supposed to be a higher tier kind of professional. After a little research, it turns out some people are saying Matco is comparable to Snap-on, that this is the same set, same number of pieces, same finish, same number of teeth. You be the judge. But at $323 compared to $199, and the Icon has a lifetime warranty, just like your good old make you feel good Craftsman Sears good old time does. I decided to give it a try. All right, let's unbox my new shiny silver toys. Nice they come with a package tray. Yay! Oh, got some screws. Ooh, feels good. Feels very good. Very happy with these so far. We'll see how they work, but it feels very good. Here's a gear wrench, a single 11 I had to buy. These feel a little better. Can't wait to use them. All in all, I would highly recommend these. They have a good feel, good value, comprehensive set. I'm happy with my purchase. I think if you picked them up, you would be too.